Welcome to the HardReset.Info, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock method works here so fast. We can unlock the device less than just half of a second. This is the really good result. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than passcode, pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.